Hello and welcome. In this video, we are filing a European Community Sales List in Germany using the Elster Digital Tax Portal. Before we go into any details, a quick disclaimer to state that this video does not constitute as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and the information in this video is purely for educational purposes, so please go ahead and do your own research. So the first thing we're going to do is to log into our account using our certificate file and password that we created when we made our account. And then once we are here in the dashboard, we're going to go to Forms and Services, and then All Forms. Scroll down here to Value Added Tax, and then we want to target the summary message. Okay, so in here we can just see the types of qualifying transactions. Just click Further. Now, you may not see this. This is details of my previous filings. I'm just going to proceed without data transfer. Okay, now, so here, I'm just going to choose the year 2023 and the period or the month of February. I need to explicitly state if this is a corrected report, but this is the first time I'm filing for February, so I'm going to select No. And we're going to scroll down and click to go to the next page where it's going to ask for company information. Now, you should be able to simply use data from your profile. However, sometimes the system does glitch. And when that does happen, you will need to unfortunately re-enter the data for your company manually, as I am having to do on this occasion. So just do make sure that you do have the correct data for your company entered into all of these input fields. Once you've done that, go to the next page. Now, here we are at the beginning of the filing itself. So I'm going to enter data for the first line, simply going to copy and paste the VAT number for the first transaction that I want to report. Here is the round euro sum value of the transaction. And then here is the type of transaction. So it's always going to be, well, in this case, going to be intra-community supply. Hit the save button there, and you can see it's saved the data. And if I have more information to input, I'm just going to add more data, and you can see it's opened a new line, and I'll simply repeat the process once again, entering the VAT number, the whole euro transaction value, as well as the type of transaction. You can see they do have a pen button for editing an individual line, a trash can also to delete the line. Once again, I'm just entering a third line. I'm not going to go through all of the lines here in the video. I think you get the point. So moving forward, okay, so it says all of my entries have been validated. I've made no errors, basically. I've entered everything correctly. If I want to go and submit the form, I will do so after reviewing the details here in this one-page summary. But what we are going to do is to save it as a draft so that we can show you how to review and edit a saved draft in your account. So here I am once again. I've saved and exited the form, and I'm going to go back to my forms. You can see I've got details of submitted forms, but we want to look at the drafts. So designs is what they call it. Okay, so I've targeted the format. I've opened it up, and I'm just going to go run through the data. It's all saved there. I now do have a blocker there on the company's personal details and also the VAT numbers, but you can see I've entered all of the lines there that I want to file. You can see at the bottom there we have the total sum. Again, all entries are valid. Now here is the summary page of everything that I've entered. I'm simply going to click submit. I get this shipping confirmation. Now I do print the shipping confirmation here. You can also find it within your forms back in your dashboard here. So I submitted forms. I'm going to target this summary message report, the summary report, and now here I'm going to download as a HTML. And the reason for that is that it will allow me to save on my local drive in English, whereas if you download and save as a PDF, unfortunately, you will be stuck with the German. Unless you speak German fluently, in which case you'll be fine. But for me, myself, my German is very poor, so I always download the HTML. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you've got value from this video. This has been filing a European Community Sales List in Germany. If you've got value from this video, please do hit the like and subscribe buttons, and any questions you have relating to VAT, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. Alternatively, you can contact us at paneurobat.com. I will leave a link with our contact details in the description of this video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.